Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Rocco and Roxie Pet Stain and Odor Remover. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon. It's received 4.4 out of 5 stars, and over 50,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Have you ever had a moment where you walk into a room and discover an unexpected pet accident? Whether it's a new puppy learning the ropes or an older pet having a little mishap, it's something pet owners have all had to deal with at some point. But today I want to introduce you to the solution that may make those messy situations a thing of the past. It's the Rocco and Roxie Pet Stain and Odor Remover, the secret weapon for keeping your home clean and fresh, no matter what your furry friend throws at you. Let's face it, owning a pet comes with a fair share of challenges, especially when it comes to keeping your home clean. Pet accidents don't just stain the carpet and upholstery, they leave behind a lingering odor that can be tough to get rid of. Not to mention, standard cleaning products can't always break down the proteins in pet urine, leaving stains and smells to resurface. This isn't just inconvenient, it's frustrating. You spend time and effort cleaning only to be left with persistent odors or stains that won't go away. Here's where Rocco and Roxie come in. This isn't your typical household cleaner. It's a professional grade enzyme-based solution that's designed specifically for pet owners. The unique bioenzymatic formula breaks down the ammonia in urine, feces, and vomit, eliminating the source of the smell, not just masking it. So that's right, Rocco and Roxie doesn't just cover up the problem, it eliminates it at the root. And it's not only for accidents. Think about all the places your pets spend time, on their beds, on your couch, and even in your car. This formula is versatile, working on carpets, upholstery, hardwood floors, and even laundry. It's certified gentle and safe, it's chlorine-free and color-safe. It's safe to use around pets and children. There are no hazardous propellants and no residue will be left behind. It's so gentle, it's been certified safe for all carpets, earning the seal of approval by the trusted Carpet and Rug Institute. For every surface, every time, it can be used on carpets, floors, furniture, clothing, litter boxes, kennels, carriers, all pet living and sleeping areas. For surface stains, you want to remove as much of the stain or pet urine as possible using a highly absorbent towel. Then apply a liberal amount of Rocco and Roxie Stain and Odor Eliminator to the affected area. Let it stand for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. Then blot with a cloth and let it air dry. For deep odor problems, you're going to want to soak the stain. So use enough product to thoroughly penetrate both the carpet and underlying pad or upholstery. The best practice is to try to soak the problem area with an amount of stain and odor eliminator equal to the amount of urine. This allows the product to penetrate deep into the carpet and come in full contact with the urine. So that's it. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.